Hello, I'm Harold Anderson. This is my son Daniel Anderson, Erik Anderson, and we're here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking. I've been coming here since 2014 when my wife encouraged me to come, and it was actually a Christmas gift to be able to come here. I've loved it. I've been working, coming every single year. I've received my master's in woodworking from Marc Adams, and I enjoy just the classes, the interaction, the teachers. And a few years ago, I brought my sons here. We started off with a welding class, which was a lot of fun. And this year they're here for knife making, and I'm here just helping out where I can.
So this is my fourth year coming. My first class was Introduction to Woodworking with Marc Adams, which was amazing. Definitely gave me confidence in my own home workshop, doing any kind of hand cut details or joints like that. Turning class was amazing with Jimmy Clues, learned a lot, and now I have some nice trinkets at home for display. Kids love to play with those. But I like coming back just because, we're from California. The scenery here is amazing. We love this time of year, we get to enjoy the colors, but also just the instructors, the atmosphere. It's a lot of fun. It's definitely a nice escape from the day-to-day.
One of the reasons why I come to Marc Adams is just for the camaraderie, the fellowship, meeting everyone here. Everyone's so kind, and it's just great meeting new friends and just bringing my family here. It's just been a great bonding experience to just have opportunities together to be here at Marc Adams. It's just such a beautiful environment and just an educationally rich place to be. So it's been awesome. Even during COVID, I didn't miss it and just loved coming. So the Marc Adams School of Woodworking is just a fantastic place to do woodworking, to learn, to be with family, and just have a wonderful, vacation destination experience.